Cornell fire ignites amid high winds in Ventura County. Ventura County firefighters were battling a brush fire that broke out Monday afternoon in Santa Paula. The fire ignited in a river bottom behind Santa Paula Airport shortly before noon, according to Captain Brian McGrath of the Ventura County Fire Department. By 2 p.m., it had grown to 173 acres. Luckily the fire is staying confined within the river bottom and hasn't spread out, McGrath said, noting that there are homes and structures on either side of the river. Approximately 100 firefighters were attacking the blaze, dubbed the Cornell fire, from the air and ground, McGrath said. An evacuation warning was issued for the area surrounding Todd and Shell roads, according to the county's emergency information site. Residents can check the live map here to see whether their area has been affected. Access to Highway 126 is closed in both directions at Briggs Road, and South Mountain Road is also closed. The cause of the fire is not yet known, McGrath said. It arrived amid extreme fire weather conditions and red flag warnings from the National Weather Service, which said the river bottom where the fire is burning was experiencing gusts as high as 35 miles per hour. Portions of the county, including several areas near the fire, are also facing an imminent public safety power shutoff, according to the county's map. More than 3,500 Southern California Edison customers in Ventura County are already without power, and an additional 30,000 are under consideration for a shutoff as well, Edison said.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.